Okay, this is going to be a short demonstration of the basic preferences for this application. Okay, if you're on a Mac, Command P or Control P, or you can go to Edit Preferences. Okay, here's what I think it's important here. You can go into inches or meters. Okay, so right now I'm just leaving it in meters. All right, angle snap. This is set up normally at 0. So you can even come in here and set it to 30, so it really makes your life easy, or 15 because I can actually get 45-degree angle by just moving something 3 rotations. Okay, I'll leave it at that. So I'm leaving mine at 15. Quality, I found out that initially I think it starts in low, the application, so I'm just bringing mine up to high. You can go to ultra. Again, depending on the processor of your computer, it's very important to be aware of this. I think this is one of the most important things you can actually work with. Being in a school environment, we all have different equipment, and the more ancient our computers are, to say it lightly, this is an area that will actually reduce the headaches of your life, okay, in the classroom, for sure. So settings, quality, lastly, the appearance, I'm leaving it as English here. This looks like Deutsch, Spanish, and this looks Korean, Portuguese, possibly Chinese, and Japanese. So we're leaving it as English, and for me, I'm leaving the footsteps as carpet, volume at 50. It works fine, okay? So the way you know this is sometimes when I'm in the library here, and the way I discovered this is when I was bringing characters in, okay? And that's when I discovered that, right here, characters, for example, a human character, you drag it in, and I'm going to press F right now. As you can see, I'm zooming out. Look at this guy here. Whoa! Look at that. That resolution is in, let's see what's happening with our preferences. So right now, this is the only thing that's here, and it's looking a little choppy for me. Okay. And press F again, zoom in. It's not bad here. So let's look at our preferences. Edit, Control P, and there'll be a demonstration on specifically a lesson on this, how to bring characters in. So for now, let's see. Quality, low. Check out the difference here. If I press OK, look at that. That's increasing the resolution right there. So if you're ever bringing a character in and it looks pixelated, that's definitely where we should be going again. So I'm going to change my preferences one more time in the quality, and I'll just bring it to high and watch the difference in your screen. All right, wow, that's outstanding. Okay, so this is very important depending on the equipment you're using. And one last setup over here, as you can see in real time, once I change quality to ultra, press OK. Here it is. Okay, great. I think it's a quick setup for preferences. This will work for you every time. When seeing things pixelated, just go back to preference and make it work. Thank you. That's it for this one. Bye-bye.